Hello everyone, this is a review on the Epson Workforce 3540 copier, fax machine, scanner, and printer. As you can see right here. It's a very big printer, but it's fully functional and really, as we'll go through it, it has all the capabilities that I could ever imagine that you would want in a full office type printer. More information on the Workforce 3540. In order to set it up for a wireless connection, it's extremely easy. You're going to be able to do this in less than a couple minutes. Super easy to connect this to your computer without any wires. It will scan wirelessly very easily as well. Print quality is excellent. It does a very good job, and it is very fast. So in terms of a printer, copier, fax machine, and scanner, this thing is, I've not seen one that's better. Let's put it that way. It's extremely intuitive, easy to use, easy to set up, and all around, it does a great job. Okay, one of the things I really like about the Workforce 3540 is that I can print off my iPad or iPhone with no problems. So I go up here, I hit the arrow, you install the app onto your iPad or iPhone, and then you pull up a page. This just happens to be an email, so you saw here what I did, and now it's printing that quick. So other printers I've used to try to work on my iPhone or iPad have not been that fast, but with this one, this is a color print. It's as easy as that. Now I apologize if this is difficult to see, but right here is the touchscreen menu on how you're going to navigate through all of your menus. So you can select copy, and right here you have the capability to adjust the number of copies you're going to make, and your image copying. And right here you can also do two-sided copying. So not a function on a lot of printers, but with the Workforce 3540 you can definitely print and scan two-sided. So again, these menus are very easy to navigate, very easy to set up, and it's something that both you can do and maybe even your grandparents can do without really doing a whole lot of thought about it. Now I mentioned that this is a large printer, so we'll fold this up and I'll show you what I mean. Is that it has a lot of height because it will actually hold 2 full trays of paper. So you can put 500 sheets of paper in here and not really have to worry about it for quite some time. So it does hold a full 500 sheets of paper. Okay, the top of the machine is where you're going to set your scans, copies, or faxes if you want to do multiple pages or two-sided. The back you have an auto feed right here, so you can do different types of paper if you want. So you can select what paper you want to use. And then again, up front, one of the things that's nice about it is that you can scan directly to your computer, including your MacBook. This is very easy to set up, and literally you can scan within 5 minutes directly to your MacBook, which is something I had trouble with some of the previous Epson Workforce printers. Now, if there is a disadvantage to the Epson Workforce 3540, it's the print cartridges. It has 4 individual print cartridges, and they can be kind of expensive. They're going to be north of $50 to $60 to do a full refill on it. So keep that in mind. If you're using with Epson ink, it will be expensive once you actually have to start changing the ink cartridges out. Final verdict on the Workforce 3540 by Epson. I'm going to give it 5 stars. It really is the best printer I've ever used by quite a bit. It is very easy to copy, which is what you would expect, but it's also very easy to scan and scan two-sided prints. That's not necessarily easy to come across. So the setup on it was within 5 minutes. Very easy to set up. Anyone could set it up. Very intuitive. Everything about it is top of the line. The only concern that you would have would be print cartridges can be expensive once you do run out of ink. Other than that, it's a very easy 5-star recommendation. And really, I don't know how much more you would want in a home office type printer. So I'm going to give it 5 stars. It's a very good recommendation.